Hello friends, so this is Vijay Kumar and welcome back in the Cyber Pratibha channel. Today's topic is how to find out saved password in Windows machine. So I am going to tell you four methods to how you can find out the saved password of the Windows 10 machine. So simply right click here and go to the control panel, and inside the control panel you find out the network and internet. Click on here, and here is a view network status and the tasks. You will find out the active internet connection here, so click on this, and wireless properties, click on the wireless properties. Then you find out this access point and SSD. Here is another tab is security. Click on that, and there is a network security key is in a dotted. If you want to show character, click on there the show character, and you will find out the key. Another method, in the another method you go on the this link, and at the bottom of this, if you have the 32-bit operating system, download for the 32-bit from here, and if you have the 64-bit operating system, then you can click there and you will find out the wireless key view. After the downloading the wireless key view, extract the file. I have already downloaded. You can see there. Wireless key view. Extract is to wireless. Extract to wireless key view 64-bit. Then you will find out this type of the folder. Open this folder, and here is a wireless key view. You don't need to install this application, just click on that and this application will run. Click on the yes, and you will find out all the saved key here. So another method is open the CMD and right click on this and click on the run as administrator, and then click yes, and here net shwlan so profile. Then you will find out all the saved profile here, and all the saved profile and the user and the password are there. So if you want to show the password, if you want to see the password, then the command is netshwlan and so profile name is equal to, give the name, like I am going to find out the password of the Kumar, KUMR. This is the SSID profile, and key K is equal clear, right? Then you can see the SSID name is there and the key content. This is the password of the Wi-Fi. And another method is another method is to see the Wi-Fi password by accessing the router. By accessing, before the accessing the router, you must know what is the IP address of your router. So my suggestion is that open the CMD first and then run the command ipconfig on window machine, and you will find out this is the IP address of my wireless LAN adapter, you can see there. And so we need to use this to put here 192.168.0.1. Okay, so but most of the router has the IP address of the Wi-Fi router 1.1, but mine router has 0.1, right? Here it will ask for the username of the admin, and the password is whatever you have set the before. If you don't know what is the password, then you can reset your router and you will find out the password. So after the resetting, the wireless router goes to on the default username and password. So the TP link WR7409N. So after the resetting, the username is admin and password is same admin. You will get the access of the router. Then click on the wireless. Here is a wireless security option, and here is a WPA. I have enabled the WPA and WPA2 personal, and the password you can see there. Another method, if you want to go to network sharing center, then click here and go direct network sharing center and change the adapter setting. Then you will find out the Wi-Fi adapter here, and right click on the Wi-Fi adapter, then click on the status and wireless properties, then click on the security and see what are the saved password. So all these method for the saved Wi-Fi password of the window machine. Thanks for the watching and see you in the next video.